Hey guys, welcome back to the Stratford Perth Museum. My name is Erica and today we're going to teach you how to make homemade jello. If you don't have jello powder, that's okay. You can make homemade powder from these ingredients here. First thing you're going to do is bring a pot with all those ingredients together to a boil. Then you're going to let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Afterwards, you're going to put the jello into some containers and you're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Here is the video tutorial on how to make jello. So when you have your jello package, first thing you're going to do is open it up, tear open the package, and pour it into your jello bowl or container. Once you've done that, you're going to take a cup of boiling water. We boiled it in a kettle. And you're going to pour it into the bowl. Then you're going to take a cup of cold water and also pour that into the bowl. Now you can mix it all up with a spoon. What's really cool about this jello product is it actually came out in the 1920s, but it was pretty popular in the 1940s and 50s. Once you're done mixing it, you can plop it into the fridge, and after about 3 hours, you can open it up, and your jello will be ready to eat. You can make it jiggle around, and even poke it. That's all for that. Thanks for coming, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow.